In this module, we're going to learn navigation patterns inside the Xamarin Forms application. In Xamarin Forms application, when we want to navigate from one page to another, then we use navigation.pushAsync method and with the name of the page where we want to navigate. Let's say we have a welcome page and there we have a button control. Now when the user will tap this button, then he or she will be redirected to the home page. In normal Xamarin Forms apps, we normally write navigation.pushAsync method in the button clicked event of the code behind file. But now we're working with the Fresh MVVM and we need to add navigations in a different way. Now the question is, how we will add navigations in the page model or view model? Well, with this Fresh MVVM core methods, we can access all the navigations and we will use this to move our user from one page to another. So let's stay with me because we're going to add navigations in the next module.